Will my van fit back in there?
Yeah, it's like one of the closer to the road spots. It's not all the way back in.
Oh, okay.
I went all the way back in, and I was like, I don't know if he wants to drive it, because it you would have scraped some branches for sure.
Yeah.
I got you a spot that's out in the open, so.
Sweet.
Alright, well, I'll see you a bit.
Alright, see ya. Well, if you couldn't tell, the van build's not even close to done, but going up to Winter Park to mountain bike and go on an adventure anyway. Made it to Winter Park. We were gonna go mountain biking today. Fought traffic for 3 hours to get here. Just wanted to ride. Now I have bike problems.
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight.
If you care about cameras at all, this is my first time shooting in the Cinestyle profile, so it's a super flat color profile. Testing it out, see how the color grading looks with the Cinestyle. So I'm gonna take my camera up into the mountains, hopefully get some mountain biking shots, maybe make my own LUTs. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Well, we rode until it was dark. Got to the bottom just in the nick of time. Okay, I think that's the end of the vlog. Hopefully the LUT that I made turned out good. This is my first time messing around with the Cinestyle picture profile. So we'll see how it goes. If you want to download any of the LUTs I used, I'll link them down below. You can download them, try them out, let me know what you think. But until next time, don't forget, every day is magical. Thanks for watching.